Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix front panel audio jack not working problem in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, search control panel. Open control panel. Select large icons. Now here guys you will see Realtek HD Audio Manager. So open it. I have not that feature, but here once you select small icons, so you will find Realtek HD Audio Manager. Open it, and after that click on connector settings. So here select Realtek HD Audio Manager, then select connector settings, then uncheck. Then you will see the option disable front panel front panel jack detection. So you need to uncheck that option. You will see disable front panel jack detection. So uncheck it, then save it. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you or not.